Hey guys, welcome back or to my channel. In this video, we will be cash stuffing my second January payment. If you have not already done so, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button because it is good vibes over here and I promise you are going to love it. So let's get right into the video. Okay. Oh, if you guys have not already seen my first video, go ahead and check it out. It's kind of like a welcome to my channel type. It's my very first video. I would love, feedback on it. Okay, let me go ahead and get to counting. I'm not the best counter, so yes, I do have my calculator with me. Yep. And as I've stated before, love the color pink. So a lot of the things you see will be pink. A pink cash tray, pink calculator, pink just set up, pink vibe. Can't get enough of pink. Let me know what your favorite color is. Leave that in a comment. And sorry, I had to burp. Whatever your favorite color is, and if you do budgeting, let me know if you guys match your budgeting like setup with your favorite color. Because I know some people do. I've seen a lot of like rainbow themes. I've seen like blue. I've seen purple. I think I've seen green. So yeah, let me know if you guys kind of do that because my favorite color is pink and I definitely try to match my budgeting setup and aesthetic to match pink. Okay, enough talking. Let me into this money. So sorry guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So that is 1,000. 50. 20, 40, 60, 81, 20, 40, 60, 82, 20, 40, 60. Oops. Okay, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. You guys, really quick, let me know if you would count this as an old, $10 bill that you would save to see if it's worth something. I know it says 2003 is when I guess it was created or whatever, but this looks like an old 10 compared to this. My mom told me it's not really anything, but I don't know. Let me know if you would have saved that 10 or not. Okay, back to the counting. I'm so sorry. Somebody probably clicked off this video because I started talking in the middle of counting. 5, 10, 15, 20, 5, 30. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, 11. 1401, which is correct. It's exactly what I have here on my teller slip. I did get this teller slip from Baddies and Budgets like a long time ago. I absolutely love taking a teller slip to the bank. I do not like doing cash stuffings without an exact amount of what I guess bills I want. So yeah, I'm always having a teller slip with me. So you guys can get that from her if you'd like. I'll probably link it in my description. If I don't, I'm so sorry, but here it is again. Baddies and Budgets. You can look up baddiesandbudgets.com, and I'm pretty sure she still has these. So yeah, I just write down the quantity, the amount of, that. Boom, 1401. 1401, perfect. Okay. If I kind of pause, it's only because I'm looking over here at my paycheck worksheet that I kind of created for myself just to, make sure I'm putting the right amounts in each category. So I think the first one that I might start with is my little A7 binder. She's so cute. She's so cute. Okay. And my A7 binder is my personal binder. Yeah, I'm not over the quality of the binders. I'm not over the quality of the envelopes yet. I'm not over it. Fill the tank is for gas, and gas is getting $35. So 20, a 10, and a 5. 35. And I'm really hoping you guys can see because again, I have a private screen on my phone and I'm trying to like look at my phone and I literally can't see anything. My funds is just like personal funds and I'm getting 104. So 100 and then what? That's 2, 3, 4. Let me just make sure I didn't pick up an extra one because I am that type. So 104 going into my personal funds. I don't think anything's going to food or buffer. So we are done with my personal binder. Also, so sorry if I'm ashy. I feel like I'm ashy. So sorry. Okay, next we are moving on to my bill binder. Let me scroll to my bills on my iPad. Okay. Yeah, I'm sorry. The quality. I can't. It's so gorgeous. I love it. I'm so happy I saved up to make this purchase. Like, I can't. Okay. Rent. Also, again, if you didn't watch my kind of like welcome video or my first video, I live with my parents. I do not actually like pay rent. I just put money aside to give to them. Um, monthly or like per paycheck or whatever that I can just to kind of help them with whatever they want, some extra money for groceries or if they need something for electric or actual rent that they pay. Yeah, so rent will be receiving 215. So sorry, I'm trying to like zoom out on my thing. Sorry. Okay, 215. 2, 10, and 15. Right. Oh, these. Oh, I love it. Okay, car is getting 340. Oh, I don't think I said this in my welcome video. I am not a weekly paid person. I am bi-weekly, so my videos will be kind of spaced apart from when I like get paid. Unless I did something where I'm making like some side money, then I'd probably create like an additional video. But I am a bi-weekly paid person. So yeah, so I stuff kind of bi-weekly. I think the only thing I probably don't stuff bi-weekly is probably subscriptions. I don't know. Anyway, 340 is going in here, so let me make sure it's 1, 2, 3, 20, and 40 going into car. Okay, car insurance is 110, and I'm stuffing in here. And remember, this is bi-weekly, so I think my car insurance altogether is like, I think it's 220. And then my car is 680 that I saved for it. Yeah, don't get on me about that high car note. Do not get on me about that high car note because I already get on myself about it. So please cut me some grace. Cut me some grace. Okay. Phone is being skipped this go round. Dental is getting 67. I'm gonna use 20. So 20, 40, 60, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, 20, 40, 60, 5, 6, 7. Ugh. Oh gosh. Ew. Yeah, bills be looking disgusting. I'm so glad this is going in my bill binder because I am going to be happy when I unstuff that and take it right back to the bank. Send it back to the sender. Anyway. Okay, so that's dental. And again, I have clear aligners, or you may know it as Invisalign, so that's why I pay monthly for dental. Personal debt is getting, I think it's getting 200. Yeah. Unfortunately, I do have some debt that I have to pay monthly on. So 200 is going in there. Subscriptions, I believe it's getting 30. So a 20 and a 10. And nothing is going in student loans. So that completes our bill binder. Our bill binder. Like, this is your bills. These are my bills. This completes my bill binder. Okay, this is sinking funds. Sinking funds. Sorry, let me like go to my sinking funds really quick on my iPad. Okay. So, sinking funds binder. My dog isn't getting anything. Car maintenance is getting 65 because I do have my little license plates are expiring soon, so I need to get some. I need to pay for new plates, and I don't remember how much they actually are. I'm so sorry if I'm shaking the camera. I don't remember how much they exactly are, but I'm gonna put 65 in here for now. 65. Okay. And then taxes is getting 164, 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. 20, 40, 60, 1, 2, 3, 4. These ones are terrible. Okay, 164. I think that's all it's going into sinking funds. Yeah. A lot of categories that I'm not too focused on stuffing. Oh my gosh, I hate you guys. I'm sorry. Okay. It's 50 in these. This is going towards my 100 envelopes challenge because if you are from TikTok, on there I ended up unstuffing my 10K challenge, and I think I unstuffed about like $700 or so from it, and my plan was to put it into the 100 envelope saving challenge, but your girl had a birthday, and yeah, majority of those funds were spent, so I'm trying to pay myself back, and I don't know if I should just take what I already have and stuff the binder, or just get it back up to where it was when I unstuffed it from the 10K challenge and then stuff the binder. And I think I'm gonna do that. I really want to save that back up and then stuff it. I don't know. If I get tired of doing it this way, I might just go ahead and take what I already have and stuff the binder. I just wanted to start from the back and go for it. Like, start from 100, 99, 98, 97, and then work my way up to 1, because I think when the last time I did it, I was kind of just bouncing around, like stuffing all the 20s, stuffing all the 50s, and things like that. So I was just trying to do something a little different. So I am going to set this money aside for that challenge. And lastly, this 10 and 11 will be going in my monthly binder. So let me pull this out to show you guys again. Again, I created this, but I do not have like a website or anything for you guys to buy this from. For right now, I'm just making things for myself. Okay. So, with that being said, we are in the month of January, so we will be stuffing. Hopefully, both are in the frame. We will be stuffing the 9 and the 2. I know January 16th passed us by. I know I should technically be stuffing 16, 9, and 2, but I'm a little behind. Cut me grace, please. I think I need to let this dry. So we're gonna be stuffing the 2, and we're gonna be stuffing the 9. love pink. These are some really good markers. Shuttle Art permanent marker. I got these off of Amazon. My Amazon storefront link will be in my description. I have some cool binders, some cool envelopes, some pre-made labels, the markers I use, the cash tray I use, a good calculator. I just have like a lot of like budgeting tools, budgeting essential stuff over linked in Amazon. So yeah, love these markers though. So 9, 10, 11, 10, and 11. That'll be going in January. These envelopes are so pretty. Okay. I feel like this is are you good? Are you good? Okay. So I'll put this back under here. And you guys, I'm sad to say, but that is the end of this video. So sorry for checking the camera again. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Again, I really, really, really hope you guys enjoy. Please leave a like. Please leave a comment. And subscribe. Thank you guys so much. Have a safe and blessed rest of your day. Bye.